Are you struggling to find the perfect spot to shoot your videos or to have a Zoom, Teams or Google Meet meeting? In this video, I'm gonna share with you this Amazon cheap studio. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your YouTube channel and make money online. I've been struggling to find the perfect spot to shoot my videos. I've been all over the place in my house and even outside in my garden, shooting videos, trying to find a way to look professional, to feel comfortable and not be disturbed by surrounding noise and have great lighting. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 simple things that you could invest in to a very low cost on Amazon and get started shooting professional videos already today. So the first thing you need is a smartphone, and that comes at zero cost in my world because you already have a phone, right? There are not many people around that don't have smartphones nowadays, and the cameras on the phones are so good and have such high video quality that shooting videos with your phone is all you need. So first up is a phone at zero cost. Next is a microphone like this. And the one that I grabbed for you is at my resources page. You can get it from Amazon at a cost of less than $40. It clips onto your shirt and it enhances the audio on your videos, making your viewer experience better. Next up is a ring light, and I grabbed a couple of sizes down at my resources link. You can check them out on Amazon. I'm using one that is 12 inches. And it is scalable in how yellow or white the light is. And it comes on a stand where I can also mount my phone to avoid shaky videos. And I can also increase it if I want to stand up shooting videos or lower it when I want to sit down. One thing though to watch out for is if you're wearing glasses, the ring light will be reflected in your glasses. So you might want to pull the ring light up or place it to the slightly to the side to avoid those reflections in your glasses. Next tip is these floating shelves. I'm gonna get to this wall in a little bit. These floating shelves can come in different sizes and colors. I have grabbed similar ones down below as well from Amazon that you can get, and they come at a really decent price, about $30. You can place anything on these. So by just mounting them on the wall at a decent height, if you're gonna sit down or be standing up, you can place anything on these shelves, depending on your mood, the season, or the topic of your video. So this is a way to create a living kind of studio that you can change and adapt according to your needs and wishes. So that's the floating shelf. Now the final part of this video and of this extremely cheap Amazon studio is this roller shade. So this is actually just a curtain, and I like the dark color. It creates an illusion of a corner, and a lot of YouTubers, big and small, have this kind of studio where they're sitting in a corner or creating an illusion of a corner. And this is by far the smartest solution I've found. You know, a lot of people are climbing up, nailing or stapling stuff to a wall to make it look pretty in the background, or they have these angled walls that they can pull out and place behind them. It doesn't look all that good to me. I like this a lot better, and I'm gonna share with you a couple of tips that you need to think about when you order this one. But first, tell me down below, have you found a spot in your house where you're shooting your videos that makes you feel comfortable, or have you not? And where do you prefer filming today? Now, the tips that I want to give you regarding this roller shade. This is so clever because once I'm done filming, I just pull it up and it's out of the way. And it doesn't bother me at all. I can just pull it down when I need it. And it hides everything that's behind, you know, a messy room, an unmade bed, or anything that you don't want to show or expose online. So what you need to think about when ordering it is that it needs to be tall, okay, so that it goes all the way down past your screen. It also needs to be wide so that it goes all the way out so that your viewer can't see the edge of it. I prefer it dark, but most importantly, tall and wide. So what you could do now, I'm gonna save you both time and money. This roller shade comes at $36, and so this all sums up to less than $150. I'm gonna save you time and money. I've grabbed it and put it on my resources page so you can go into Amazon and order these things at your leisure saving you time because I did the research already, and saving you money because these products come to a really good, decent price. All you then have to do is wait for your package to arrive, mount the stuff in the ceiling and on the wall, and mount your ring light on the stand, and then you're good to go. So this is a cheap, not only cheap, but very easy YouTube studio, and I hope you like it. So smash the like button if this was appealing to you, and also tell me in the comments below if you're gonna go for this studio or not. Next, watch these videos about how to grow your YouTube channel and make money online, and I'll see you in the next one. All the best. Good luck.